Hi, today I'm for the POCO C50 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you will see notifications, ringtone and alarm. The sections, just to change them we should tap on the section and select one from the available sounds. To change the media, ringtone or alarm volumes we should slide to the left or to the right side these panels. Also in sound assistance section we can adjust media sound in multiple apps with the switcher and to use multiple audio sources. Here we'll see the silent mode switcher and we can turn it on or turn it off, or also to silence media in silent mode. We can see when the silent mode is activated our ringtones they will be muted, and just when the silent mode is activated ringtones and notifications they will ring. Also we can hear the turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode, and in additional settings just we'll see here the dial pad sounds, tap sounds, lock unlock sounds, screenshot, uninstalling sounds, deletion items, charges sounds and startup sounds. So just to turn on and turn off all of these options we should use the switchers. Let's go back. If you wanna activate or turn off the vibration focus or to use vibration in silent mode, you should tap on the switchers, and we can also switch vibration on top just from strong to medium light or to turn it off. And in sound effects, or if you use the headphones, you can just switch headphone remote button from the control volume level or to control music playback and to sync buttons, but unfortunately I have no any headphones here. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.